Hello students, welcome to our class, and today we will start our new topic, that is classification of acid and base from chapter number 5, acids, bases and salts. So here acids and base are classified into two types. Here acids, base and alkali. Okay, so acids, base and alkali are classified into two types. First one is a strong acid, strong acid, weak acid. Then base, strong base, weak base, same as alkali, strong alkali and weak alkali. Okay, so we will learn one by one. First one is the acid. So strong acid. In my previous lecture I explained you what is the acid and what is the base. Okay, after dissociation the substance that give the H ion as a cation, that substance is called the acid. The substance that gives OH ion as a anion after dissociation, that substance is called the base. Okay, clear? Then strong acid. So strong acid is the acid that dissolve completely in the water. So let's see the example of strong acid again. Strong acid on dissolving in water, a strong acid dissociates almost completely, then the resulting aqueous solution contains mainly H ion, that is cation, okay, in form of cation. Plus ion means cation. I repeat it. And the example of strong acids are HCl, hydrochloric acid, HBr, HNO3, nitric acid and sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Okay, again I repeat it. On dissolving in water, after dissociation, this strong acid dissolve completely and mainly H ion is formed, and the aqueous solution contains mainly H ion is called the strong acids. And examples HCl, HBr, H2SO4 and HNO3. Then weak acid means on dissolving in water, a weak acid does not dissociate completely, that means dissociate partially, and the resulting aqueous solution contains H ion, obviously because this is acid, weak or strong. So H ion and the concerned acidic radical in a small proportion along with the large proportion of undissociated molecules of acid. That means in a weak acid, after dissociation, this weak acid do not dissolve completely, that are called the weak acid. And example H2CO3 and CH3COOH, that means acetic acid. Clear student? Then base, same as base means the strong base dissolve completely in the water and in aqueous solution, OH ion in the aqueous solution. After dissociation, the aqueous solution contains OH ion, okay, mainly OH ion. OH ion means anion, negative ion. Okay, so the example of strong base, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, KOH, potassium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. OH means hydroxide, Na sodium hydroxide, K for potassium hydroxide, Ca for calcium. So calcium hydroxide is the example of strong base. Clear? Then weak base, NH4OH. Weak base, the substance, the base that does not dissolve completely, they are called the weak base, and the aqueous solution contains mainly OH ion as an anion. Clear? So this is a weak base. The example of weak base, ammonium hydroxide, OH for hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. Then third one is the alkali. Alkali means the base, alkali means a base which are highly soluble in water are called the alkali. For example, NaOH, KOH and ammonium is the example of alkali. But here two types, strong alkali and weak alkali. So this NaOH and KOH belongs to the strong alkali, and ammonia and H3 ammonia is a weak alkali. Clear? Then in our next lecture, I will explain you the basicity and acidity. So I hope this was today's lecture that understood well. If you have any query, you can message me. So till the time, goodbye. Thank you very much.